coming to you again with another video, you know what I'm saying? I don't know who's here. Richie, boss is here. Surf Odane is here. Yes, I'm seeing. Yeah man. Yeah man. We're on Rockfort Road, passing cement factory, going out to our view side, you know what I'm saying? Yes, I'm seeing. Yeah man. We're in the farmer crooks them here. Outside. I'll go inside, as I'm seeing. So reach closer and closer. We keep it up to date and make us see what going, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man, is it? Is it? So you know, so we're still here in Yellow Square, just a reaching, as I say, yeah man, at the jerk center, you know what I'm saying? With the jerk man. Jerk man, big up yourself no man.
Yeah man, big up yourself man, doing from Yellow Square.
Yeah man. You don't know, see there?
What's it about? Two sides. Up and out.
Right there. Yeah, you don't know, say,
yeah,
surf Odane in here. Is it?
Yeah, as usual, we're going to buy something to eat, something to drink, refreshments, because I don't know the journey.
Yeah man, see there?
Yeah man.
Inching and overeat as it. We have to cool down with some radiator fluid and thing. Is that what I'm saying? Yeah man.
So festival chicken, just there and we buy something. The man done most of the journey and a burning earn, you see it.
These are chicken there on some festival.
Yeah.
Ketchup and pepper.
Ketchup. Yeah man, they don't know, you see it? So if you don't want nothing to consume, just follow the Yellow Square at the jerk man, you see me I say? Yeah man. The Wayne, yeah man. You don't know the chefs man?
Yeah man, big up yourself, big up yourself.
Yeah. We out here in here, you see me seeing? I go and cool on the piston them, you see it? Don't know. Still a travel. Just a come out. Just a come out the Yellow Square. You see me? And dip on a stretch. I go. You know the vibes. You see me? I'm on inside here. You see it? I'm on funny jerk chicken. Outside right here. You don't know, so we outside same way. You see me seeing? No man. One consume the jerk.
Says it.
You see it?
Bad.
See the lot there? Surf Odane. Him over there so. Yeah man. Up on the side is it.
Catch up. A jerk here wicked.
Yeah man.
Next time I add more pepper.
It's amazing. Yeah man, don't know so we there the falls, you know what I'm saying?
We say travel boy, yeah.
Surf Odane a drink from the fountain of life. See? Richie done.
See that? I get some gas here now. From the fountain of life.
We in here, see there? Live in concert. Oh, feel like a joke. See it over there, so? Oh, feel like a joke. Pentamas. Don't know the shopping. See? Okay. Clocks have a clean. Yeah man, we outside here, is it? Just one stop this, another stop to make, you know what I'm saying? And then we reach, is it? Don't know. Is it? Yeah man, see that? Riverside. You see me see? Yeah man. Up on the seaside, I see surf as always. Don't feel like a nice, beautiful river. You know what I'm saying? Outside here man. Check in back on a little bit. See? So stay tuned. Hey young crocs, different day, same video. Unfortunately, our trip was cut short due to a mishap with my cycle, and actually we was 26 minutes away from our destination according to the GPS map that we was using to find our destination to go where we were going. I have a mishap with my back wheel where the tube was showing through the tire from a hole that I got a puncture from. So as you can see, different day, same video. We were 26 minutes away from our destination, but unfortunately I got some problem with my cycle. The back wheel started to pulp on me and the tire was starting to twist up with the amount of air pressure that I have in the back wheel, so the tire was rubbing on the frame. So I did have to let out most of the air and take my time right come back into Kingston with a soft back tire. But I'm gonna show you that this is my cycle, and the back wheel here is where the tube started to pulp out on the back wheel here, so you can see thread started to tear right here. So the back wheel started to split from here, so come all the way down here. The back wheel started to split. So while the back wheel was tough and I was riding, the tube was pulping out through the tire, and then the bend up, the amount of air pressure that was in the tire, caused the tire to kind of out-shaped it, as in bend in a S like. So when I ride, it was rubbing on the frame right here, so I did have to let out most of the air pressure to get the tire soft, so the tube can sit down back inside of the tire like how it is right now. So you can see the tire is really soft. Look at that, the tire is actually soft right now, so the tube can sit inside of the tire perfectly, so it don't pulp out through the hole right here. So that's it guys. So thanks for watching another video, and don't forget to do what we do. Enjoy cycling, keep riding, and stay focused. Peace out. I want to thank each and everyone for watching this video. Thanks to all my subscribers, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on the videos that you like, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. So see you in our next video. Peace out, and thanks for watching. Bye.